How to train players in NBA Live Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are gonna learn how you can easily figure out how you can train your players and make your players stronger in NBA Live Mobile. First things first, launch open your NBA Live Mobile application and make sure you're logged into the main home screen. Now, go ahead and click on the Lineups button at the bottom right. Inside Lineups, select any player you want to improve. Tap on the player card and then click on Info. Under Info, tap on the Train button. In order to train a player, you'll need some currencies. If you have enough currencies, you'll be able to see the Train option enabled. Tap on it and you'll be able to train the player. To train a player, you'll need training tokens or XP items, unused low-rated players, and duplicate cards. After the train is completed, your player level increases, stats and OVR goes up. If you want to improve your players faster, you can also use the rank up option. Go ahead and find one of the player that has the rank up option enabled and tap on it. But in order to do that, you'll need some currencies as well. So that is the way how you can easily train a player from your lineups in NBA Live Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.